What's up guys, this is Priyanka and you're watching Bike with Girl Official. So this is a back brace and I'm wearing it because my lower back issue has spiraled over the past few weeks because I've been riding motorcycles with a committed stance, which is all the sports bikes and the super bikes. So now the doctor has told me to stop riding super bikes. But what I can ride is this. Why have I got the 2019 Dominar 400? Because of the upright riding position. At this point, my back is in a shit state, and it's best that I don't take a chance with bikes where I have to stoop down low to ride the motorcycle. And a bike like this is just perfect for a time like this. So it makes the overall ride very comfortable. And apart from that, the suspension too. These are like two factors that make the Dominar 400 a super comfy motorcycle. यहाँ पे करते हैं बहुत। आपको बाइक नहीं चलाना है कभी? अभी पेट्रोल भर रहे हो तो बाइक देख के अच्छा लगता होगा ना कि मेरे को भी चलाना है एक दिन। हाँ, नाम क्या आपका? रानी। रानी। So I get asked again and again what my height is. I'm 5'5" and a half. The Dominar 400 is actually not a very tall motorcycle. Yes, there is a bit of tiptoeing involved, but my little issue with this bike is getting it off the stand and like getting it out of a parking or a place like this is all grass. But it's not too heavy and it's not too tall. What I'm missing in the Dominar 400 is actually wind protection. Today when we were riding on the highway just before we got here, it started to get a bit tiring because there's no wind protection. But the good thing is that Bajaj has actually officially tied up with Autolog Design to give you parts like this, and they're actually priced quite well, so you should check it out. 120 to 130 to very peacefully it goes. And apart from that, I hear it does 0 to 100 in 7 seconds. I haven't tested that, those are not my figures, but I've read about it everywhere, so I've actually heard that the old Dominar had a lot of problems and it was a trouble child, especially at high speeds because of the vibrations. But Bajaj seems to have really worked on the new Dominar, and you can tell because when I was riding today, I could feel vibrations, I'm not gonna lie. I could also feel a lot of wind. Please wind, please. But they were not bothersome to me, and that really makes a difference when you're touring. What do I love about the new Dominar 400? Firstly, this color, man. This Kawasaki green is nuts. Totally digging it. The awesome LED headlamps, the upside down forks, and this bulky looking dual exhaust, which is pretty much more to add to the design element. Yeah, these are the first 4 things when I look at the bike I love. So after riding the Dominar 400 for the last few days, I feel like it's such a fun motorcycle. It's powerful. It's flickable. And it's priced so beautifully. Where else do you get a bike that actually gives you 40 horsepower in this kind of price point? Except for like the 390 Duke, which is also 2.4 lakhs. And you're not going to get such performance at such a price. I don't think so. With performance should kind of come usability. And that's why the Dominar 400 is such a nice motorcycle, man. it appeals to someone like me because I'm in this whole space of motorcycles for the speed, but at the same time, if a bike is comfy, nothing like it. That was a lovely ride. I actually wanted to ride in the rain, but that's not happened. And the roads were fabulous here. Really nice, clear, straight roads, and then got a lovely ghat on the way. We come to a place called Kanse Dhaba because you apparently get the most authentic Maharashtrian gavran and mutton bhakri and chicken bhakri. Such a simple yet fantastic day because I got on a bike after over a week because of my back issue, and the joy is next to nothing. Got to eat some great authentic Maharashtrian food and then rode to this paradise, which was not even that far away from where we started. And overall, it's just been such a wonderful day with this lovely bike, of course. So don't forget to
like,
and
share,
subscribe. See you on the next ride.